Hello! Today we are going to be fixing a doorknob. As you can see, this one's broke, this one's to the bathroom, so yeah, the little latch in there is broken. So I went to the local hardware store and I picked up a replacement for I think $10. So I'm using a drill, but you can just do this pretty easy with a screwdriver. This one has a flat head. The replacement screws are Phillips. So what you're going to do is, let's see if you can get this right. There's a screw here and a here. So you're going to take it, you're going to unscrew. Pretty much unscrew them by hand after you get them loose. I'm being a little stubborn here. Now after you get those done, they just come out just like that. And then you're going to take these two screws and you're going to remove them as well. So I run into the problem where I needed a smaller screwdriver. And these are pretty short screws, so you could just use a small Phillips screwdriver or flathead. And you just remove these. Now, all you gotta do is push out and it comes right up. Now, you're gonna go over to your striker plate right here and you're gonna do the same thing. You take these screws out because your new doorknob will come with a matching color plate. Doing these little jobs like this will save you a lot of money in the long run, because then you won't have to pay somebody to do it. It's a rather simple repair. Sometimes these are stuck, so you just gotta wedge them off like that. And go back to our doorknob. Now these door handles have very detailed instructions. So this, sometimes these little channels aren't cut in, it's just a circle. So what they did, where you can design them, they've designed them so you can just remove them. So you can just do the circle, but this one has the channel cut in, so. So we're just gonna insert it, and some are designed where you can do two different sizes, but so we're gonna put that in. Sometimes See, I ran into this issue too, where this hole right here is a little small for this. So what you might do is you might take some sandpaper or just take a knife and just start scraping. And I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to scrape that out and continue with the video after that. Alright, I just took my knife and I basically scraped everything open so it can go right in now. Made sure it lined up, made sure this wasn't too far off. So it's still a little snug, but you just make sure it's all squared and lined up, and maybe give it a little persuasion, and you get the screws that are supplied with it. They'll be replacement screws like that. Some kits have longer, more aggressive screws because sometimes these holes strip out. But you're just going to place those in just like that. Then what you're going to do, you're going to take your knob set, and this is meant for a bathroom, so it's got where you can use like a butter knife, or it comes with a key. It's just like a flat thing where it can unlock from the outside, just in case, you know, a little one gets locked in and doesn't know how to unlock it. So you're going to take this moon shaped side and you'll see right here there's a moon shaped side. You're just going to line it up, put it in just like that, and you're going to take this side. You can see there's that moon shape, and you can see that plastic in there. You just got to make sure it's lined up in there. So line these up, make sure it twists so you can lock it and unlock it. And you're going to take these longer screws and then you're going to place them in. Make sure they line up. Take your screwdriver. If you got a screw gun, that's better, but don't over tighten them. Make sure it opens and closes. Make sure it's not loose. You just got to make sure it opens and closes, and it's not. Sometimes if you get it too tight, it'll stick. And then you're going to move on and install your plate. Sometimes you have to do adjustments with this as well, because not all areas where they do the plates are the right size. This one happens to be perfect. So you're gonna put your plates on, put your screws in. Don't over tighten them because you'll strip out that area where it's at. nice and snug, and then the last thing you do is just make sure your door latches. See, now latches and locks. Alright, and that's a quick video on how to replace a doorknob. Alright, thanks for watching.